Don't suppose you got any petrol?
Interesting choice. A bride. The ship inn up in Solva. Terry Jenkins's stag before his second marriage. You were...
Bunny girl. Top hat and towels.
Yeah. Bit more conventional, really.
And a lot easier to get out of at the end of a song. Thanks. Someone been on holiday?
No, it was stuck inside a book I got from a second-hand shop.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. You can have it.
No. No, you should keep it. How long you live down there, then?
Longer than you.
Married? Kids?
Nothing to hold me back.
This isn't how I thought I'd end up, you know. Stripping for farmers with fetishes, struggling to pay the bills.
I've had no training as a life coach.
I definitely thought I'd be with someone driving off into the sunset like Thelma and Louise.
Didn't they drive off a cliff?
Yeah. For those 30 seconds, though, they really lived, didn't they?
Hooray for them.
What do you want then, Tollbooth man? Your own little island in the sun?
This is a robbery! Empty the register, old man!
Technically the money isn't in a register. I drop it into this metal box by me here.
Then open the fucking box! What the fuck? How much is it?
£3.60.
Don't be a hero!
I'm not being anything. It's only 40p to pass here.
You must have more than that!
This is the quietest toll booth in Wales.
Glenda? Let's have the timepiece. What's it worth?
It cost me £1 from the market.
For fuck's sake.
Hey, added to the £3.60, that watch is almost 25% of your haul so far.
What else you got?
I have a sandwich.
Come on. What's in it?
Cheese and pickle. You're welcome to it. I think I'm developing a mild lactose intolerance.
You never seen triplets before?
No.
This is hardly going to announce us on the world stage. But it seemed like a sensible first job. You should kill him. That'll make the news. Will anyone give a shit about a toll booth operator? The news agenda shifts so quickly. We'll post it on Instagram. Who gives a fuck about the mainstream media? I'm not sure he's big news. How long you been working here?
29 years.
I suppose that could be our angle. Man dedicates life to shittest job on planet and dies in unexplained shooting. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, we should vote. Oh, come on, Jess! I don't know what's more tragic, this bloke dying here tonight, or him working here until he retires. Let me kill him, please! No, we voted. You know the rules. Oh, this is bollocks! Put your arms down. £3.60, the watch, the sandwich. You sure you got nothing else?
Listen to me.
We are at the very beginning of a career that's going to make a lot of waves. You seem to be leading a life that is pretty unremarkable.
Consider this your kick up the ass.
I'll take that on board.
Pass us a sandwich. Follow us on Instagram. Open up the barrier.
You nearly got shot over a few quid and a sandwich.
And my watch.
Been out here on your own all the time.
I've had a long time to get used to it.
Cheers, mate. I don't mind doing a witness statement or something.
No. It's best you don't get involved. I doubt they'll get very far. And I don't want to hold you up. The later you are, the drunker they'll be.
Fuck 'em. I'm not doing this anymore. You got space in the car if you wanna drive off into the sunset.
Like Thelma and Louise.
What are you reading? Don't know it.
It's about a man who leads a really boring life. Nothing ever happens to him.
Is it any good?
It's brilliant.